When you need a no-nonsense boat for tagging ducks or fixing docks, there's nothing a Low can't do, and just about nowhere it can't go. Since 1971, Low's line of roughneck, John, and utility boats have been serving you. For the early to rise and late to bed, the hunters, and hard workers who need a boat that's easy to own and easy to operate. Using our legendary all-aluminum hull, these boats are built to withstand years of heavy use in all types of weather. The Roughneck, John, and utility boats are designed to work for you. They're small, light, transportable, and economical. So head for the rockiest of ledges and the narrowest of chutes. Knowing that you're all welded, function first, take me anywhere Low, we'll be there to get you and your trophy home. Low, trusted by the bold.